Hello and welcome to Fluency First. Today's topic is going to be the most commonly used slang words in the American language. These words are basically going to be wanna, gonna, kinda, ain't, tryna. We'll start with the word wanna. The first thing to do is that we're going to break that word down. The word wanna consists of want plus to. So if you are going to use want plus to, you may replace them with the word wanna. Now there are two scenarios. The first scenario is that you may be using the word wanna plus to. The second scenario is that you might need only to use the word want without to. In the first scenario, what actually comes after the word wanna is actually a verb at its infinitive form, and that means only a verb without anything, without ing. Let's see some examples. I want to play. I want to eat. I want to go out. I want to watch the TV. So in all these examples, we can take out want and to and put wanna. That would be 100% correct. Now let's get to the second part where we only use the word want. As a matter of fact, what comes after want is a noun. So if there is a noun that is coming after the word want, then there is no need to add to. Hence, we cannot replace want with wanna. It's going to be only want. Let's see some examples. I want a cup of coffee. I want some tea. I want a chair. I want some food. Let's wrap it up to make it easy. If you're going to use a verb after wanna, that's absolutely correct. But if you're going to use noun after wanna, there's no need to use wanna, it's just want. Now let's jump right into the next word, which is gonna. Well, honestly, here there's a completely different rule. But let's do the same thing as we did to the other word, which is breaking this word down. Gonna consists of going to. Now, if we take a deeper look at the word going, it actually consists of go plus ing. And I'm sure that all of us know that as long as there is a verb with ing, then there should be verb to be before that. Verb to be can be am, is, are. And that means if you are to use that word, then there should be verb to be before. Now people sometimes confuse these two words, wanna and gonna, and they may use them the same way. They may say I wanna, and this is correct, or say I gonna, but this is actually incorrect. Now let's get to the practical part where we mentioned some examples. Here are some examples. I'm gonna apply for that job. I'm gonna go out with my friends. I'm gonna study hard to get high numbers. Well, one thing in common between those two words, wanna and gonna, we cannot use to after that. So if you are to say, I wanna go out or I'm gonna go out, never add to. There is no to that comes after these two words. Now we'll be talking about the third word we've got on the list, which is kinda. And guess what? We're going to be doing the same thing that we did with the other two words. And that is breaking that down. Kinda is kind of. Now, kind of is an informal word, and we use it when we are actually trying to describe or explain something that we are not 100% sure about. With this word, we are going to take some examples first. Let's suppose that my friend is asking me about my opinion about a newly released product. My answer could be, well, the product is nice, but it's kind of hard to understand. Now, here in this example, we could take out kind of and put kinda. Now, a common situation that happens most of the times when you're out with your friends is that somebody wants to eat, but you're not sure that you really want to eat. Though, eating with friends is always fun, so you just go and eat. But I'm kinda not hungry. It's just that simple. Whenever you have kind of in any sentence, you can replace it with kinda. Now, going to the third word we have on the list today, which is ain't, guess what we're going to do? No, we're not gonna break that word down because it's actually a little bit weird and different than the other three words that we have just talked about. Now, do you remember these verb to be that we have mentioned before? Am, are, is. Well, ain't can replace the negative form of these three words. Let's take some examples. If someone is asking me, are you going to eat with us? I could go like, nah, I ain't gonna eat. Are your friends going to go to the wedding party? No, they ain't gonna come. Is she studying? No, she ain't studying. So always remember that you can replace any negative form of verb to be with the word ain't. Wait, don't go anywhere. We still have one word on the list, and that word is tryna. Do you still remember the word number 2, which is gonna? It's pretty similar to the word tryna because tryna is trying to. And if we look closer at the word trying, it's try plus ing. Now let's do the same thing. If we're going to add ing at any verb, there should be verb to be before that. Do you still remember these verb to be? Am, is, and are. Now if you're going to use that word, tryna, make sure to add verb to be before that. And of course, there won't be to that comes after. Let's get some examples. I'm trying to get my work done, but it's very late. I'm trying to learn new language. I'm trying to climb that tree, but it's very high. Now, if you are still watching the video, hit the like button if you did like it. If you didn't, it's fine. Hit the dislike button and let me know in the comments what exactly you didn't like about the video. One more thing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any other videos. Thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day for yourself.